Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com, and today I want to highlight a feature on the Infinity Genesis 3D L-Track massage chair called a sliding base. Now, we don't see this on a lot of chairs. The old Infinity Iyashi used to have it, and now the Infinity Genesis has it. And what that means is that, okay, this is a space saver chair, right? So you can put the chair within 1 to 5 inches. A space saver chair you can put anywhere from 1 to 5 inches from a wall, and it'll recline and it won't hit the wall. On a standard S-track chair where it's not an L and the chair doesn't scoop down when you recline it, this one goes back and it can hit the wall if you're closer than like 13 inches. But these space savers, because it's an L shape, it's like a cup. It kind of scoops underneath and stays equidistant from the wall. Well, this chair has a thing called a sliding base, which is another version of a space saver, where when you turn it on, the chair will actually slide forward and then tilt back. And these chairs you can actually put really close to the wall, about an inch away from the wall. Typical space savers, 3 to 5 inches. This one a little bit closer even, and that's a pretty neat feature. So what we'll do is maybe I'll have you come over to this side, Jacob, and we can film this. But you'll see down here. Watch what happens when I turn on the chair. You'll see that the base, the body of the chair is sliding. They call it a sliding base. You can kind of, if you move in there, you can see it moving. See the base of the chair moving forward? It moves forward about a foot. And then after it's moved forward about a foot, then it reclines and the program begins. Now watch. See how far forward that has moved from the back of the chair? Now it tilts back. And so that is a feature that allows for this chair to be a space saver. And again, you can put it up against the wall, or I mean pretty close to against the wall. And then when you're done, when the chair shuts off, you'll notice that the chair inclines again and the base is starting to slide back towards the rear of the chair. That is the sliding base feature of the Infinity Genesis massage chair. Very cool. Space saving's cool, especially nowadays when there's in cities where you can't build very big places, or you've got a small house or small apartment. Space saver does help. It's still a big bloody chair, but at least it's you can put it up against the wall and save some space front to back. Well, that is it, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and of course, help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video on your Facebook or Twitter or Google Plus or LinkedIn or Instagram social media platforms. We appreciate you helping us spread the word. I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com, and I will see you again on the next video. Bye-bye.